And tonight, an RTV6 exclusive, the former head of the BMV back in the hot seat.
Our Call 6 investigators obtained video of Scott Waddell's latest deposition involving fee overcharges at the BMV. Call 6 investigator Rafael Sanchez is live in the newsroom with a story you will only see on RTV6.
Erica and Todd, good evening. The BMV remains under a cloud of suspicion, accused of overcharging you on a number of fees. Former Commissioner Scott Waddell was under court order to respond to questions he did not answer under the advice of his lawyer. A judge said he had to answer those questions, and he did on Thursday. The Call 6 investigators obtained this new video, which gives us insight into what was happening at the BMV while they reviewed the fees that they charge you. Scott Waddell testified that once the lawsuit was filed, he notified the governor's office, but the issue was not discussed in cabinet meetings. Waddell says he depended on his team, who initially found nothing wrong with the fees, though the state in 2013 settled a lawsuit for $30 million for overcharging you on driver license fees.
I based my opinion and my beliefs on what outside counsel had done for us through their investigation and their interpretation of the code.
Okay. And it was up to you to determine whether or not their investigation was thorough enough. Isn't that correct?
Ultimately.
Waddell spent several hours being deposed. He was offended by the implication that the BMV intentionally set out to overcharge you.
The fine people at the BMV did their best in implementing all of these. For you to say that they didn't do their job is insulting. They work hard. They're fine, outstanding people. And for it to be implied that they did anything intentional or anything, didn't do their quality checks, is embarrassing to me. They worked hard. If there was a human error made, it got corrected.
After you got sued.
It got corrected.
After you got
Objection asked and
Regardless
answered.
of how,
Yeah,
it got
exactly.
corrected.
The BMV is currently hoping a judge will stop the release of these deposition DVDs. There's a hearing set for next month to deal with that very issue. Reporting live in the newsroom, Rafael Sanchez,